How to fix trouble with mobile verification code on Revolut. If you are having trouble getting SMS messages, you can try following troubleshooting methods. Ensure your network signal is strong enough. You can refresh it by turning your phone into airplane mode and then back to regular mode. Check if there are many SMS filtering settings or applications on your phone. Ensure that your phone inbox isn't full. Alternatively, please swap the SIM to another phone to verify if the delivery issue is phone related. In case you're unable to receive SMS messages, you can opt to receive emails instead. If you let the time run out at the resend code, select resend code and choose email verification method. This option isn't always available. Linking cards to Google Pay or Apple Pay, credit applications, or external transfer submission. Before doing so, your email must be verified. Go to Profile, Account, Personal Details, and then Email. Tap the Verify button in the received email message. Check your spam folder in case you can't find it in your inbox. For more information on how to confirm your email address, you can check this page right up here. If for some reason you're still having trouble receiving an SMS messages, you can contact support of Revolut.